Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take you through my wash day step by step, showing you exactly how I wash my hair from start to finish. Like a sunrise glow, touch. So first I start by thoroughly wetting my hair. I like to take my time here, making sure that every strand is fully saturated. This helps the shampoo to lather better and cleanse more effectively. So next I apply my shampoo and really focus on massaging it on the scalp. Scalp massage is so important at this stage. It helps to lift dirt and product buildups, but at the same time it stimulates blood flow to your hair follicles, which promotes healthier, stronger hair growth. Plus it's super relaxing. After massaging the hair for a few minutes, I rinse out the shampoo completely and then apply my deep conditioner. Now, this deep conditioner is actually one that I'm currently developing myself. It's still in the making, guys. But I've been testing it on my own hair and it's been doing wonders. Deep conditioning is an essential step in any healthy hair routine. It helps to restore moisture, strengthen the strands, and improve elasticity, especially if your hair tends to get dry and brittle. Think of it as giving your hair a big drink of water after a long week. So after applying the deep conditioner, I'm going to go into the steamer for about 20 minutes. The steam helps to open the hair cuticle so that the conditioner can really penetrate, giving the strands all the moisture it needs. Once the 20 minutes is up, I rinse out the conditioner thoroughly. My hair always feels so soft and nourished after this step. Next, I move on to my leave-in conditioner. This one is actually my own formula. It's ready even though I haven't packaged or labeled it yet. I've been using it for a while now and letting others try it as well, and the feedback has been positive. It keeps my hair moisturized all day and makes detangling even easier. After applying my leave-in, I let my hair air dry until it's about 70% dry. I like to do this before adding oils and butter. When the hair is slightly damp, it absorbs product better and helps to seal in that moisture. Next, I go with my scalp oil, and this oil is also one of my own products. I always apply it directly to my scalp because that's where healthy hair growth begins. Oiling the scalp helps to nourish and protect the skin underneath, prevents dryness and flaking, and stimulates blood flow to the hair follicles. After applying the oil, I take a few minutes and massage it in. It's honestly one of my favorite parts of this process. Then I follow up with my hair butter, which is another one of my products. The butter helps to lock in moisture, leaving my hair soft, shiny, and deeply hydrated. Guys, if you'd like to try out my hair oil and butter for yourself, feel free to drop a message for me. I'll be happy to share more details and help you get your hands on them. So after that, I let my hair dry completely and get it ready for styling. For my next video, I'll be preparing a crochet lock install. If you'd love to learn exactly how I do that, make sure you look out for my next video, where I'll show you how to install crochet lock step by step from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching my wash day routine. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural hair care styling tutorials. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.